Hello, children. So, this is our last week studying. This is our last cycle of the school year. So, let's wrap up with our last unit, that it's going to be Unit 17. I think it's a hard week because not of the work is really easy, but I think it's a hard week because we are saying goodbye to this third grade year. I think it has been an amazing year. I love you so much. I'm going to miss you, but I'm going to say all these words on Thursday. But I don't want to get too involved in this finished course without saying these words in this finished unit. And let's work with a big smile, even that it's our last unit. Let's work so happy with this unit. And I like to close with this unit because it's something that we have in our veins. It's something that it's in our head all the time. Since we were born, since we were babies, we are exploring everything. We we want to know about things, and that's the thing about exploring. So the unit 17 is about exploring, and the big question for these two units is, why do we explore? We're not going to see the unit 18 because we don't have much time. We only are going to see the unit 17 this week. But I think we're going to work. The unit 18 we're going to see in another course when we come back to school. But let's start with this big question. Why do we explore? Why do you think we explore, children? Why do you think we want to know things? Why do you think we like going out and watch and observe everything that is around us? Now, let's see our video. So, what do you see? Which places did you pay attention? Or what do you think you can do in that video? What do you think it's possible on that video? Can you swim with fishes? Can you go on an airplane and watch the ocean? Tell me. Pay attention to the video. If you can, if you want, sorry, you can do it again. You can go back to the video and play it again. Let's see the question. It says, look at the picture and what are they doing? What do you think they are doing? Are they swimming? Are they on a boat? Are they sailing? Where do you think they are? On the beach? On the woods? Near the mountains? They are in a canoe? They are up in the canoe? Inside the canoe? Where do you think they are? What do you think they are seeing? Look in the background. I see some mountains, I see a forest, but what do you think they are seeing? Because the girl looks pretty smiley, so what do you think? Answer these questions. What do explorers do? What do you think they do? Think about this, and we're going to talk about these questions tomorrow, but start thinking in these questions. What do explorers do? What do you think they do? What materials they use? Are they using pens, compass, maps, a notebook, maybe a pen, maybe in this time, I don't know, a camera? What do you think? How do people explore the oceans? How do you think they explore the ocean? Now that we have a lot of machines that help us to explore the oceans, have you known one? Have you ever seen one? No, we're going to see some videos about that. How do people explore space? How do you think we have those amazing images from space? Have you ever heard about the Hubble? Have you ever heard about the spaceships that take photographs out of the space? Have you ever heard about the new technology that help us to reach up the sky? So I hope you find this really interesting. It's a very interesting topic, and I hope you like it. So let's start with our vocabulary on the next video.